Here I have a couple of parts that just printed out. They were designed for our rocketry unit by one of my 11-year-old engineering students. So he designed these himself in Tinkercad, which is a free online software that allows you just to design in 3 dimensions and then save the files as an STL file, which is compatible with most 3D printers. And so this is a rocket cone, and he made it hollow on the inside so that it didn't take up that much weight, and it integrates the fins and all that. And then he also made this further set of fins. Now, these blue ones in particular are really cool because they're not just curved here on the left, but they're actually not flat. They get thicker on the bottom, and then thinner as they get up here to the edge. And they'll come off that base, and he'll just presumably put them in 3 equal locations around his rocket ship, and then we'll see how high it goes. I bet he'll get a couple 100 meters out of it. So, pretty cool.